Okay, now which is the smallest planet among all the planets?
Mercury.
Very good. Which is the biggest planet among all the planets?
Jupiter.
Okay, which one is Jupiter?
What is the time now?
3:10.
What is the time now?
3:25. Cube, cone, pyramid, cylinder. Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Goa, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Maharashtra, Gujarat.
What is the first sound in that? Can you bring that? Where is What is the next middle sound? Okay.
Yeah.
What is the last sound? Can you bring it? Okay. Can you read it?
Yeah.
Uh.
Next.